Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a project which is done at Big Wheelz Customz Bangalore, Shukote, and this is a Marshal Jeep which we have completely restored at Big Wheelz Custom itself. So you can just check out this vehicle. This vehicle has been completely modified with huge accessories in this. We have added the vehicle with dual color options. This is a sandstorm color with a body with a muddy color, and that is with black. The roof is completely black. The vehicle is been modified with power steering in this. You can just have a look at the power steering which has been installed, and four-wheel drive is available in this vehicle at the moment. And there's a open knuckle kit has been added. This is the Bolero one, and the vehicle is also added with fenders in this. You can just check out 4 fenders have been added on this vehicle, and we also have off-roading rims available in this. And Maxxis 980 tires have been added, 31 into 10.5 into 15. And when coming to the look of this vehicle, the vehicle has been completely painted. You can just check out the overview of this vehicle, complete with the dual color options in this, and 4 fenders have been added, all the tires for the tires to prevent slush. And this is the overview of this vehicle back view with a stepney carrier as well as a tow hook installed in this. And apart from that, the vehicle is in very much neat condition, completely restored. When coming to the interiors, right now we have a good interiors, good seat covers have been added on this. You can just check out the seat covers. Dual color seats have been added in this at the moment, very spacious. And when coming to the front view of this vehicle, you can just have a look at the brand new dashboard has been added, and seats are Brezza seats which has been added on this vehicle. And we also have a power steering in this. M2DI engine has been added, KMT 90 gearbox has been added, and brand new roofing has been done on this. You can just check out brand new roofing. Complete interiors have been added, door pads also been added in this, and all plastic items have been completely upgraded on this. Both the sides, you can just have a look. All with all new accessories, door pads in this. You can just check out the rear view also. Here we have huge space, and music system is available in this. And apart from that, the vehicle is in very much mint condition, and documents are Karnataka registered vehicle. Insurance is valid, and documents are valid till 2030. And anybody who's really interested in having a look at this vehicle can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117, and the price we are quoting is 465 lakh, negotiable price. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on our number. You can just follow our Big Wheelz Customz page as well as Instagram. So for more details, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.